Hey, today we're going to take a look at Ragnarok and see how it runs on the Chromebook. X360 14-inch with a dual core. Have a mouse, and let's load it up. Like and subscribe if you can. Thanks for watching, and let's see how this runs. Just finished downloading it and updating it. The game's mostly touchscreen, and I'll change all the settings to see how it runs. For 14-inch, it's pretty good if you need it for school. The keyboard's good. And let's see. Start game. Played through a few of it on my phone, and it was too small. The screen's way too small to play it on that. It's like really hard to go through stuff and do stuff. Okay, let's go to settings, which is... I'm gonna look for the settings. It's totally different. This one. There's low, high, medium, 60 FPS, battery saver mode. It's doing best. Let's see what it looks like. There's best. I can play with a phone. I mean mouse. If you need a gaming mouse, yeah. Let's see. And you just click to move. Oh, that's cool. It does work. Play dead. I don't know why that's even in that game. So if you, let's see, does look like it's lagging a little. Let's change it to medium. And you could change how many people you can see on the screen. A little better. I wonder if the people count counts as monster count too. Let's see. I was talking to someone. Let's see. Okay, let's change the settings to low. Let's see. Let's go to town and see how bad the lag is. So you can use a touchscreen if you want. Here's a touchscreen. Play dead. Here's a novice training ground. Yep, it's playable. If you know any other games I should test, see which one I could load up. This is running only two dual cores and 4 gigs of RAM, which works pretty nice. Let's change my job. See if it is. Let's see. Oh, I didn't change anything almost. Let's see. And then there's auto, Thief Story, auto quest. You click it and it just sends you there. Activate. Pull the mouse.
Farewell. No matter what difficulties you encounter on the journey ahead, never lose passion and hope.
Yeah, it's laggy. Even on this, when you're watching that. It's like frame skips. Sorry about that, I have braces on, so let's see. Let's see, where do you need to go? And then go there. There's the map. So yep, Ragnarok runs on this. So yeah, let's see, let's get out of this. Let's see what other games could put in the charts. So here are the games that run on this computer that you can install. I haven't got this to run because something's wrong with it. It says it's running an emulator and don't know how to make it run on this. Tried running it, it doesn't run. Some premium games. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. See you guys.